Independence Day to all my dear Chiranians. On the occasion of Independence Day, let's do pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Dear students, on the occasion of Independence Day, I, Shipra Gautam, takes an opportunity to tell you about the Independence Day. Children, India will celebrate its 75th year of independence on 15th August. Like every year, the tricolor will be unfurled from the Red Fort, Old Delhi by the Prime Minister of India. On this day, the citizens will pay respect to all the renowned leaders who fought bravely for India's independence in the past. However, this year, just like the other year, there will no grand celebrations or social gatherings due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Every year, Red Fort is ornamented with flowers along with its podium, stairs, machine ground and seats for guests are arranged. Prime Minister hoists national flag with national anthem Jan Gan Man and address the nation by sharing the achievements done by the government via different schemes, acts in previous years and also promises to make his country number one in the whole world. After the speech, 21 gunshots are fired in honor by remembering freedom fighters, armed forces, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Army, motorcycle troops, and the parade is conducted on Red Fort where they salute national flag. At last, Prime Minister greets students, teachers who attend the function by letting go of the balloons in the air. Thank you and have a nice day.
चार पंक्तियों द्वारा देश के शहीदों को नमन करना चाहूँगी कि कैसे निकला होगा दम लिखनी कहे, गोलियों के घाव सिंह खाते ही रहे, गिरते गिरते देश को पुकारते रहे, रक्षक थे वो देश को संवारते रहे और देश की बलिवेदी पर न्योछावर हो गए और भारत माँ के पैरों की महावर हो गए और भारत माँ के पैरों की महावर हो गए। है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सही, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे, तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर देशभक्ति हमारे हृदय में समाई होती है और इस देशभक्ति को उजागर करने के लिए आज हम बनाएंगे एक चित्र। तो उसके लिए क्या चीज की आवश्यकता है वो देखते हैं।
Hello my dear students, as we are celebrating our 75th independence this year, so I am here with a motivational song for all of you. Even I am singing it in praise of our nation, and we are the new generation. So we have to bring it in our practice, and I hope you will listen it carefully and we will be reach on that mark. So let's start our song. Vande Mataram, 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 Vande। एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाएं अपने दिलों में हम, क्या नाम है अपना जहां में, खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम, है हमें जाना कहाँ और चले हैं कहाँ पे हम, हमसे ऊंचे है ये माँ तेरे वतन। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे। जाना है तारों से आगे, अब ना रुकेंगे हम। ओ एक नई सुबह जगाए सारे जहां पे हम। हिम्मत करे आगे बढ़े हम, नए रास्तों पर हम। सारी दुनिया अब ये माँ तेरी वतन। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे। माँ तुझे सलाम, ओ माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, ओ माँ तुझे सलाम। Thank you.
Hello, my dear students. A very warm greetings on the auspicious occasion on Independence Day. So, today, what we are going to do? We have to make this beautiful, colorful freedom lantern to make our home decorated. So, let's start how to make it.
So, celebrating the 75th Independence Day, I have brought a very beautiful poem by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. And let's see what the beautiful thoughts he brings in these lines. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. So with these beautiful lines, I've also brought a very beautiful song. We will sing together, you and me. Okay? So here is the song for you. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Hindi version. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Yes, together. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Giving you a happy feeling, children? You're enjoying the song? Even I am. Together it makes the difference. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We can overcome everything if we stand together. Yes? The only difference is we have to unite. We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Yes, children? We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Keep singing this song and have the feeling of being a proud Indian. Yes? Together we can say, Vande Matram, Vande Matram, Vande Matram. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Indians, keep rocking, keep enjoying this Independence Day. Love you, children.